O follow me. Oath of office. I, having been elected to the position of Kapisanan ng mga Broadcasters ng Pilipinas, do hereby solemnly promise and swear that I will consciously, and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and responsibilities of my office. That I will uphold and defend the KBP's Constitution and bylaws, and bear true faith and allegiance to the same. That I will obey and enforce the laws, rules and regulations and policies of the KBP. That I will actively participate and support all KBP activities and programs, including those that shall be adopted, that will benefit my KBP in general, and the members in particular. And that I finally shall impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily and without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.
All right, thank you so much to the officers. You said officers, I should say. Warm applause, ladies and gentlemen.